I hope you've seen my previous video. Yeah, in that video I promised you all that the next video will be about advanced yoga poses with your partner. So are you all ready? But please be very precautious while doing these. This requires a lot of core strength and arm strength. So only try if your core is strong and your arms are strong. I have shown really simple techniques to do this, so you can definitely try. Always do on a mat and see that there are pillows around or bed sheets around you, so that even if you slip or fall, you're not injuring yourself. It is always advisable to do under some guidance of an instructor, but you can surely pause my videos, stop in between, see that your postures are correct, and try not falling and injuring yourself, please. So I've divided the advanced yoga sessions also into two parts. Today we'll only focus on the plank series. There are 4 planks which we'll be performing today, all with your partner, all with support of your partner. You have to use your partner's balance and support. So remember, there should be complete trust on your partner. Okay, let's get started. We will first start with double plank. For that, one partner will have to kneel down. Bring hands onto the floor. See that your shoulders, elbow, wrist are in one line and your hips and knees are in one line. After that, you will slowly have to lift your knees up and stretch your legs back. See that you are stretching completely without dropping your lower back. Your body have to be in straight line. Again, shoulders, elbow, wrist in one line. Do not lose this position. This is very important for plank. The other partner will have to bring legs apart. The partner's feet have to be in between. Slowly hold your partner's ankle and lift your legs up. When you're lifting your legs up, you will have to use your core to balance. So see that you're locking your legs with your toes down onto your partner's shoulder so that you're not slipping or falling down. There is a lot of pressure on your core, and also use your arm strength to balance. Keep looking straight and keep breathing normally. While coming down, first bend your knees and then slowly release your legs and hands. Other partner will first drop the knees down and then rest in child pose first and slowly come back. Double plank definitely improves your core strength but also improves your spinal cord. We will now be doing double reverse plank. For that, you will have to sit down and stretch your legs straight out. See that your back is straight and your legs are straight. Your palms have to be inwards and not outwards. Inwards because your elbows are protected that way. Now you slowly bend your knees and lift your hips up and drop your neck. Then slowly stretch your legs out and balance on your heels. Now the other partner, you will have to bring your legs apart between your partner. Slowly bend your knees and drop your hands onto the mat. Remember, your palms have to be inwards and not outwards. Very, very important. Then slowly lift your hips up. I am walking ahead so that I can lock my heels onto my partner's shoulder. Locking heels onto partner's shoulder is very, very important so that you are not slipping or falling down. Slowly lift your hips up and drop your neck down. Perfect. There's a lot of arm strength involved in this, and also your shoulders get a lot of strength. Now while coming back, slowly both the partners will have to come down together. Please be gentle and do not hurt each other. Slowly relax. Double reverse plank strengthens your core, strengthens your lower back, and obviously works on muscle building and arm strength. We will now perform lifted plank. For lifted plank, one partner needs to lie down onto the back. For lying down on the back, please take the support of your hand and then slowly rest on your back. This way your back is protected. Your legs have to be straight and your shoulders have to rest onto the floor. Now the other partner needs to kneel down and bring your knees around your partner's legs. Stretch your legs out and bring your legs on your partner's shoulders. See that your toes are facing downwards and your feet are together. Your hands have to be on your partner's ankle or shin bone. The other partner needs to lift the legs up. Now, this depends from person to person. Use your arm strength and lift your partner only as much as you can. The other partner is balancing completely on the core. So, depending on your core, please tell your partner how much to lift up. Stay in the posture, stay straight. Try not slipping or falling onto the floor. Now, while coming down, the partner slowly needs to bring the legs down. Once your legs are down, bend your knees and slowly come back. The other partner needs to turn on one side before getting up to protect your back. This asana improves your arm strength and your core strength. We will now be doing double side plank. I have shown how to do side plank in my previous video. For that, kneel down, bring your palms onto the floor, shoulders, elbow, wrist in one line, hips and knees in one line. Now slowly lift your knees up and come up to your toes. Your legs need to stretch out. For side plank, you will have to bring one leg onto the other. Do you see the way I'm doing? I drop my one leg and then bring my other leg on top of it. Now slowly the leg which is on top, that hand goes up and you slowly join your palms with your partner to form a namaste. Do you see? Simple. Now lift your leg up. The hand which is up, that leg goes up. Only if you can. Now slowly bring your leg down. Slowly bring your hands down. Bend your knees. And you relax in child pose. Side plank is amazing for body toning. Gives you amazing side curves. And definitely strengthens your arms and your core. I'm sure you enjoyed the session and had a lot of fun with your partner. But your hands must be paining, especially your wrist. Plank series, you usually focus a lot on your hands, so it's very natural sometimes to get some pain or stretch in your hand. So I'm going to show like really simple warm-ups which you can do after the planks or before the planks. So just stretch your hands out and move your fingers like open and close like this for maybe 10 counts or more. Then close your fingers, form a fist and just rotate your wrist like this, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Easy? Okay. Then just place your palm like this, like fingers facing downwards and pull your fingers inwards. Do you see your wrist gets a nice stretch here? Pull inwards as much as you can. Now don't leave your thumb alone. Pull your thumb in as well. Amazing. You can hold for 10 seconds or 15 till you feel a lot of relief. You can do the same thing upwards. So like this is down and this is up. Pull your fingers inwards again and don't leave your thumb. Thumb needs to go in as well. And keep pushing your hand in. You can repeat the same on your other hand as well. I'm sure there must be little pain, but this will help in relief. Plank series not only help in strengthening your core, but also keeps your spine healthy. This series will definitely build a lot of emotional bond with your partner. Keep doing this and stay safe. See you soon.